Hi guys! I'm Lady Danalie, and for today's video, what I'm gonna be teaching you is on how you will be able to register with Economy. By the way, si Economy po is an institution wherein they provide educational technology regarding forex trading. This company aims to impact 10,000 families here in the Philippines. And I'm super happy because I finally found an institution wherein it aligns with my vision, which is to help Filipinos to meet their financial freedom. So most of us, we lack financial literacy. And the goal of this company is to help you to have the skill wherein it will help you to grow with your finances. Through, of course, forex trading. But of course, syempre, mahirap ang forex trading. Ang kinaganda po nitong platform na to, it has a semi-AI tool wherein it helps you to scan the whole chart, the whole market. Kaya it will make your life easier to read the chart when it comes to forex trading. So right now, I will be teaching you kung paano po kayo mag-enroll dito sa Economy. So you will be landed here in this platform, in this website, and you will have to sign up. So when you sign up, you need to, of course, register your email address. So this is exactly the page where you will be landing, okay? So you just simply need to click this Join Us and then just simply register, okay? So once you have registered, the next thing that you need to do is to purchase their enrollment kits. So for this, you can register first with the Elite Pack. So it costs 149 USD or US dollar. And this one with Elite Pack, halos kompleto na rin to. It has mga tools wherein it will give you an idea and course na matututo ka from basic to advanced knowledge here in Forex. Ang kinaganda pa rito, meron siyang copy-paste wherein it will give you an opportunity to have signals. So, mas mapapadali yung pag-analyze mo ng market because spoon-fed ka na dito. They will give you an idea on what to trade, anong currency, anong pattern, anong entry, saan ang take profit, saan ang stop loss. So, yan. I-add to cart mo lang yan and add to cart. And then, if you want to become part of us, maging part ka ng team namin, then you can consider also choosing this affiliate and affiliate marketing kit. So with affiliate marketing kit, this will give you an opportunity to, of course, utilize their platform on recruiting people. More on sharing it to people and syempre kumita ka from it by referring people to Economy. So, you can add to cart. Then, i-continue mo lang yan. Then, you will be able to see all your details, your email, your first name, your last name, your referral code, and all the details that you need. And then, meron ditong enrollment kits. Makikita mo dito yung total nung check out mo. So, you can check out the Elite Pack and the Affiliate Marketing Kit, which is a total of 178 US dollar. Okay? So, you can pay through, if wala kang credit card or debit card, pwede ka mag-open ng account with GoTime. Si GoTime, pwede ka mag-transfer from GCash going to GoTime, and then si GoTime will provide you a virtual card. So, dun sa virtual card mo na yun, makaka-open ka ng sarili mong account, ng debit account, then i-add mo lang dito, add card. Tapos, pwede mo na ilagay dito lahat ng card information mo if you don't have credit card. So, lagay mo lang yung first name, yung last name mo, your card number. Tapos, kung kailan yung expiration date ng virtual card mo na if you're using GoTime. And then, ilagay mo lang dito yung address mo, yung city, and then yung postal code. Okay? So, right now, since nag-check out na tayo, maglalagay tayo dito ng card information natin. Ayan, lagay natin dyan. Tapos yung card number natin. Tapos, kung kailan siya mag-expire. So, okay na siya. Smart Waiver. Click mo lang yung Smart Waiver and then you will be landing here. You just simply need to read this on terms and conditions for forex trading. And yung mga licensure for the software. So, basahin mo lahat yan. And then, syempre, mag-agree ka. Gawa ka lang ng antayin nyo lang siya. And then, i-review nyo lang yung mga details nyo kung tama. Ayan. Tapos, proceed payment. Click nyo na to. Ayan. Process payment. So, yan. Makikita nyo na, thank you for your order. So, successfully naka-order ka na ng iyong Elite Pack Pro, Elite Pack and the Affiliate. So, I have paid $178. So, return to homepage. And finally, andyan ka na. Meron ka na successfully an account with Economy. So, the next thing that you need to do is to go to Economy portal. So, mag-login ka lang dyan and then makikita mo na to. Ayan. So, this is your portal and this is what you will be seeing, okay? Tapos, ang next na gagawin mo is i-click mo tong Forex. Tapos, click mo tong ECA or ECA. And then, click mo lang yan. Tapos, login ka lang ulit. So, once you have a login, this is what you will be seeing. The welcome video. And then, you just simply need to watch this. Sobrang bilis lang ng video na to. And then, dito yung mga available na mga Forex tutorials. Meron tayong Forex Academy. You just simply need to use English and then beginner Forex. So, lahat ng mga tutorial for beginners, dito nyo po makikita yan. Sunod-sunod na yan. Ang kinaganda pa dito, guys, hindi siya katulad ng like, di ba pag nag-search ka sa YouTube, parang ang hirap, ang gulo-gulo, hindi siya organized, hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. So, ang kinaganda dito, you will be able to watch this ng sunod-sunod and mas matitrain ka in a way na mas madaling intindihin. Ayan. Tapos, meron dito na for advanced, ayan, advanced Forex, meron din dyan. Para maintindihan mo how to use the trading view, different types of traders, yung mga trading times and session, trading plan, how to calculate the PIP. So, ang dami dyan na sobrang maiintindihan nyo at mas makakatulong sa trading journey nyo. Sobrang daling intindihin po nito. Pinadali na po yung buhay nyo, guys. And also, what you can also utilize here is of course, the scanning tool. So, you just simply need to go back dun sa economy mo. And then, i-click nyo lang po tong Manara. And then, for our next topic would be about Manara. So, very exciting to kasi ito yung pinaka-most favorite product ng mga traders here in Economy. With Manara, it is an AI tool wherein it helps you to scan the market. So, meron na siyang automated scanning ng market and I will be giving you an idea on how it works. Okay? So, you just simply need to go back with your Economy portal and then i-click ulit tong Forex and then click Manara. Okay? So, once you have clicked Manara, you will be able to see this and then i-click nyo lang tong Access Manara Now. Pero first is, mag-join muna kayo sa Telegram. Merong lalabas po dito na Telegram. Pero since naka-join na po ako, wala na pong lumalabas dyan. So, if first time mo, meron po lalabas dito na Manara, na Telegram link kung saan ka pwedeng mag-join. Okay? So, ngayon, i-access muna natin si Manara Access and then, ilagay nyo lang po yung PIN nyo dyan. Okay? So, for me, ito po yung lalagay natin. So, makikita nyo po itong market. Ito po yung chart, okay? This is the chart for Euro-USD na currency, okay? So, makikita nyo po dito sa may notification area, andito halos lahat ng mga currencies na available na pwede nyong i-trade. So, depende sa inyo kung anong time frame yung pwede nyong piliin. Kung para sa akin, personally, I prefer po yung higher time frame. So, pwede ko pong piliin yung H1, which is 1 hour time frame. So, every candle po niyan is 1 hour inequal. Okay? So, here, pwede ka mamili kung sa 1 hour time frame, change mo lang yung setting, and then, ilagay mo lang dito is yung 1 hour time frame. Tapos, mamili ka ng 1 hour. Say, for example, for this one, sa currency ng, let's probably use this, itong Euro-USD. So, makikita nyo dito sa Euro-USD, meron pong upward arrow. Itong upward arrow, it tells you to buy. So, ang position mo dito would be buy, okay? And then, the pattern na nakita niya is triangle. So, meron daw siyang nakita at na-scan na pattern ng triangle, which is good for trading. Ngayon, you just simply need to click this and then makikita mo na yung kanyang chart. So, may nakita siyang triangle pattern dito. And then, sinabi niya na rin dito kung saan ka papasok na entry. So, mas mapapadali ka sa pag-analyze ng market, diba? So, right now, hanapin mo lang yung price kung saan ka magsaset ng entry mo. Ayan. Entry, and then, ito yung target profit mo. Lalagay mo dito yung take profit mo. And then, ito naman yung stop loss mo. So, sobrang spoon-fed ka na po dito kay Manara kasi available na po yung mga take profit, and yung stop loss. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan is, saan ba ako papasok dito na presyo? Kasi sinabi niya na kung saan ka papasok na presyo eh. Ayan no? So, kung nag-entry ka dito sa presyo na to, and meron take profit dito, antayin mo lang umakyat yung presyo niyan, and then, pag na-hit niya na to, then there's a high chance na nag-take profit ka na. So, that's how it works. Sobrang dali niya lang intindihin. Okay? So, I'll show you, mag-execute tayo ng live nito. Okay? So, by the way guys, ito po yung aking cellphone, okay? Ito yung view ng aking cellphone. So, makikita nyo itong MP4. This is my MP4. So, ilalog-in nyo lang yan. Meron tayong separate video wherein paano nyo matututunan kung paano kayo maglalogin sa MP4 nyo, okay? So, i-download nyo na itong MP4 and then i-login nyo lang po yan dito. Merong plus dyan, tapos log into an existing, tapos dyan na po kayo mag-login. Okay? So, hanapin nyo na lang yung video kung paano kayo magla-login po sa MT4 nyo. So, once you have successfully logged in, ang gagawin po natin is mag-execute po tayo ng order. Okay? So, right now, we have a total of 345 USD na capital. Okay? And then, mag-start na tayong gayahin to. I-copy-paste tong trade na to. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung etong Euro-USD na pair. So, punta po kayo sa quotes. This is the quotes. Ayan. Click nyo lang itong quotes. Tapos, makikita nyo po yan. Yan. Makikita nyo yung mga iba't ibang mga currencies. And since ang tinitrade natin is Euro-USD, i-click nyo lang po itong Euro-USD. And then, i-click nyo po itong trade. Yan, trade. Tapos, ito po yung makikita nyo sa view nyo. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin nyo po is mag-execute po kayo ng order. And then, isa-set nyo lang tong take profit. Set pa ng Euro-USD. Double check nyo ha. Dapat Euro-USD yan ha. So, iset natin siya ng 1 point, ito po yan. Gayahin nyo lang to. Okay. 1.08. 1.0815 Ayan. So, ito po yung target price natin. And then, sa stop loss naman po, ang ilalagay natin is ito. Nakalagay na po yung stop loss dyan. So, ilagay nyo po dyan 1.07117. Okay? So, yun po yung ating. Ngayon, di ba sabi kanina dito sa notification natin is ang gagawin nyo sa Euro-USD is naka-arrow up siya, di ba? Since naka-arrow up siya, magbabay po tayo dyan. So, okay? Kung ano yung gusto nyong lot size. So, in our case, ang nilagay po natin is 0.1. Medyo mataas po yung lot size na yan. Pero depende sa inyo. Kung kayo po, ang gusto nyo po is yung lot size na medyo conservative lang, ang ilagay nyo po na lot size is 0.01. So, antayin nyo na lang na tumaas po to, umabot sa take profit na to, tsaka po kayo kikita. Okay? So, right now, nakikita nyo itong trade natin. Kaka-trade lang natin ngayon, no? Pero kumita na tayo ng $1. Okay? So, antayin lang natin umakit to dito hanggang dyan. Hanggang sa may hit nyo na yung take profit and eventually, magkakaroon na po kayo ng profit dyan. So, that's how it works, guys. And ang kinaganda, meron pa po dyan dito sa Telegram natin, which is kung nag-join po kayo sa Telegram natin, meron po dyang Manara. Ayan. So, ito po, nagsisend po si Manara dyan, hindi nyo makita pala kasi naka-private pala siya. Pero nagsisend po si Manara dyan ng mga, ayan, ng mga pwede nyong bilhin. Whereas GBP, JPY, ayan, sinesend nyo na dyan yung TP1, TP2, saan kayo mag-e-entry, tapos ano yung stop loss nyo. So, sobrang spoon-fed na kayo dito, guys, diba? So, yun guys, that's how you will be able to maximize Manara, diba? So, I think sobrang sulit naman tong Manara. Kasi 99 USD per month lang ang subscription nito. Pero, yung 99 USD nyo, bawing-bawing nyo naman na yan. Kayang-kaya nyo yung kitain yan in just less than a month. Or even, baka nga kahit one day, kaya nyo kitain agad yan, diba? So, napakaganda ng ating platform. Meron na po tayong $3. Ngayon, ngayong actual trade natin, diba? The actual trade natin, ayan, $2. And actually, pwede nyo na itong i-take profit kung happy na kayo dyan. Actual trade natin to. This is my actual account and I'm really happy with the performance. Guys, if ever you want to have your own Manara account and to utilize this platform na meron na mag-i-scan ng market for you, then might as well mag-join na kayo with Economy and be part of our team. And definitely, we will be helping you with your journey. If you have more questions, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Ilalagay ko po dyan sa may description box yung ating Telegram channel para po pag may mga inquiries kayo, may mga tanong pa po kayo, I'm very much willing to help you. If you want to meet me personally, nakikipag-meet din ako personally kasi gusto ko pong iwasan yung mga scammer kasi marami po nagpapanggap na ako, kaya might as well imi-meet ko na lang kayo kaysa po maloko po kayo ng mga scammer. So, just simply request for an appointment with me and then I'm very much willing to assist you and meet you para maturuan kita personally. So, I'm really hoping I will be helping you with your trading journey and maging profitable ka with this industry. So, thank you guys!